everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is SGM Creations and Tutorials. This is my Valentine's DIY project. This is a Valentine's table centerpiece. This one is made from BEADWORKS. This is a 3 pieces of apple made from beads. This is beads crafting project. An apple, 3 pieces. This is small, medium, and big. So 3 pieces of this apple means I love you. You're the apple of my eyes. And this one, 3 heart shapes also means I love you. This one signify the Valentine's Day. And the color is for the Valentine's. The serving plate is served as the holder of these 3 pieces of these apples. This is the big, the medium, and the small size. And this one is from my recycled Christmas decoration. I form into heart shape in order to decorate as hearts, and for the center of my for my table centerpiece. So this is a very easy project. This is a platter or a plate, serving plate. I just put my 3 apples here and I create heart shapes and put artificial flowers, and now it serves my table centerpiece for the Valentine's. So I hope you like this project. So please give a thumbs up, comment, and share this video. So happy Valentine's to everyone. This is SGM Creations and Tutorial, wishing you a happy Valentine's. And see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Valentine's Day with your loved ones. Please watch my other Valentine's project. Thanks everyone for the support for my channel. Happy Valentine's again. These hearts for you all guys. Thank you for the love and for the support. I wish everyone a happy Valentine's Day. So this is the 3 apples, and we will decorate on the center with the 3 heart shape in order to specify that this is for the Valentine's Day. So this is our very simple project. A table centerpiece, 3 pieces of apples made of beads. This is a product of BEADWORKS. So you can create your own Valentine centerpiece, table centerpiece, any red color. And just put a heart shape just to symbolize the love day. Valentine's is a very special moment. We have to celebrate it because this is a very special occasion. Love Day or Valentine's Day. Without love, we are not here in this world. So again, thank you for watching and for supporting my channel, SGM Creations and Tutorials. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel. Stay connected so that you can watch more videos from me. Bye bye and see you again. Ciao ciao. This is the three apples means you're the apple of my eyes, and the three hearts means I love you. This is a unique table centerpiece. So I hope you get an idea on how to create a simple Valentine's table centerpiece for your home.